I told myself somebody had probably just come by and picked it up, but there hadn't been anyone else on the trail. At least, not that I'd seen. I shook it off and kept jogging Dot as I approached the small footbridge that crosses the creek. I heard a splashim, a 27-year-old guy living in a small college town in the Midwest. This happened last spring, and even though it's been almost a year, the memory still makes me feel sick. I've always been kind of a loner. My friends would go on those typical spring break trips, Florida, Texas, whatever, while I stayed behind to save money and catch up on projects. That particular spring was no different. The only plan I had was to go jogging at Bloomfield Park every morning. The park isn't much, just a loop trail through some woods, a couple of playgrounds, and a small creek that runs along the back edge. But it's always been my little escape. I'd run there almost every day in college. Even in bad weather, Dot, it was the second week of March.